Yes, sir. Roll.
Hi, I am Dr. Deepak Batra. I am an orthopedic surgeon.
Okay.
Today is World Arthritis Day,
Yeah.
and we are here to discuss about arthritis.
Okay.
Arthritis basically is broadly divided into primary and secondary in our words. Primary is something which we call it as degenerative changes which takes place as the age grows. That is बुढ़ापे की बीमारी वो जो हम कहते हैं. Secondary is something which is caused by different diseases actually that leads to arthritis. So this is basically the two general terms which we use as primary and secondary. Primary arthritis, normally you see that a patient of more than 55-60 years old or a female of a postmenopausal age, she complains of pain. Normally it is knee or hip, which are the weight bearing joints.
Okay.
And most of the patients who come to us, they are mostly complaining of pain while walking or pain after rest. That is the moment they get up from the bed after taking a nap or resting for a while. That is due to just because there is loss of lubrication in the joint. जो चिकनाहट हम कहते हैं हमारी जोड़ों के अंदर, that is lost because of the disease, or it is not formed. The lubrication is not formed, and because of that there is stiffness. There is the patient can't walk normally for a distance, and slowly the lubrication comes into action, and which gives relief and also change in walking style. So this is normally because of your degenerative change. This is because of रोजमर्रा की काम है, the wear and tear which you are having.
Okay.
That is the reason behind the primary arthritis.
Okay.
Let's talk about the treatment part also when we are talking about a disease. Normally, if a patient comes to us, the foremost thing which we talk about treatment is to take some kind of restrictions in the daily activities at the arc, like not to squat or not to walk on uneven surfaces,
Okay.
or avoid getting down the stairs or walking up the stairs a lot. So this is a daily routine which can be avoided at the least possible, which can give relief.
Okay.
Other than this, we can go for exercises which can also strengthen up our muscles and also give us relief. You know that as the age increases, your muscle strength also decreases. You don't have that kind of muscle strength which is needed. So, but naturally, so exercises also give you a very good result.
Okay. Great.
If this too doesn't work, then we switch on to some kind of medicines which are normally a painkiller, and painkillers of a very simple painkillers also give us very good results. If they too don't work, if you are not so lucky enough, then we have some lubricant injections also available in the market which can give us good results. This is something which we are talking about a conservative management, but the non-operative, we are not giving any kind of
Invasive
chira
treatment.
or
Yes.
there is no incision.
Yes.
So the patient is on his own and he's or she is doing the job also. There is one more thing which we can do after this is total knee replacement or total hip replacement or any joint replacement. But in between this conservative and surgical, there is one more thing which is there as a tool with us, that is stem cell therapy, which can be used. And this stem cell therapy is a new concept in the market or in the world, but it is showing promising results.
Okay.
This is something to do with the primary arthritis. Coming down to the secondary arthritis, there are multiple reasons behind that thing, but the foremost reason, which is the commonest reason, is the rheumatoid arthritis or the raised uric acid levels. These are the one of the most common reasons behind arthritis in our country. If we try to control this disease, even though rheumatoid arthritis is not completely treatable, but at least we can have some kind of drugs which can modify the disease and which can give good results, or which can give relief to the patient so that the early arthritis doesn't take place and we have enough time to move around. Similarly, raised uric acid levels, if we decrease our uric acid levels in the body or use some drugs which decrease the uric acid, this is going to give good results. And other than the treatment, what we are taking, physical therapy or exercises is again the foremost treatment in any kind of treatment problem, whether it is primary or secondary. That is the foremost thing which I think every one of us can do it in our house.
सर क्या ऐसी कुछ डाइट भी हैं जिनको हम अगर सही समय पे अपने खाने में शामिल करें?
अगर हम बात करें प्राइमरी के लिए, तो आज के दिन ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है जो हम खाने के साथ ले लें, लेकिन हाँ कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी है जो आज मार्केट के अंदर जो सप्लीमेंटेशन, डाइटरी सप्लीमेंटेशन की तरह आ रही है, जिसे हम कोलाजन पेप्टाइड्स कहते हैं, वो चीज़ें जो है हेल्पफुल हो जाती है। आज के दिन कुरकुमिन, जो कि एक तरीके से हमारी हल्दी, वो एक दवाई के फॉर्म में भी आ रही है और जो हम रोजमर्रा अपने खान पीन में भी ले रहे हैं, वो भी बहुत मददगार है।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू हमसे बात करने के लिए।